Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u kublai phi baru kinikilong ki khubor bam da kasni ka Valley View Secondary School hagasni ba ar klapan ku burom mi ki samla jinge le kai judo jongka hadien beklawan ra nam da kabayo eka kadan overall first runners up haga Inter-School East Hill District Judo Championship arajar arprio daga bakur hadu arfly tili gitakma ya kajing yalang Pynkup burom la pelong apo ka school ha kajing dan lang ka principal kong ipira ka assistant principal kong e wardri kanong hikai judo teacher Miss Fiona Nongben u coach Gable G Momin ringkat ba kinong hikai ba kisamla puli haba priang snobhai kinong job ka Miss e wardri kla ai jingero ikisamla ki balawan ra nam ka school kala ong ba kajing job jongki kari ka so jong kajing trai shita kajing long renti ba kajing minon ki samla puli ru kila ai kajing Pynkup burom da kajing risa jingero ya kinong jam ya gate kajing ya khun la pelong da ka East Hills Judo Association hamaupat multipurpose hall na do ka life witri unaitung hadu ka shitrik unailar ka Valley View Secondary School kala khur arfly tili kitama ki ba kanthop ya santli ki gold medal nyotli ki silver but khatwe tili ki bronze ka ba panpawi kajing la jong ka school ban kantiu ya ka kam jingele kai bat ban pin mi ye ki samla ki badan sam ki nong job goal ki long Usahil Singh smalamok ti sangma Dev Basumatari Mewan Banshan nongsi bat Anu Kumari ki nong job silver ki long Sajid Ali Amdan Kumar Cynthia Riatham Sheena Lee coach Stephenson Lingdo Jared Felix Lingkoi bat Hami Banshan nongsi ki nong job bronze kilong Amdon Das, Harshit Singh, Kunal Sharma, Sohani Kumari, Anjan Basumatari, Sanjana Rai, Pratik Paul, Sanjay Rai, Salgit Armarang, Sandhya Kumari, but Banisha Wardri. Kani ka jing job kapin iya ka jing IT lot jong ki samla jing kai ki coach kinong hikai but ka jing yalam jong ka school. Haga ba penroy ka kam jingya le kai lakmi lenti ba kani ka jingyo jingyaro kanong kamen sim jingya ki shibun ki wei pat ki samla puli bat shimbenta ha ka judo bat ban trai shitam na ka benta ki jingya khon ki ban sawan
Valley View Secondary School. Hip hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Valley View Secondary School. Hip hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Yes.
At Maupat multipurpose hall. Our students display exceptional courage, discipline, determination, and sportsmanship throughout the competition. Their hard work has brought great honor to our school for securing the first runners-up trophy together. Our team won our impressive 5 gold medals, 7 silver medals, and 10 bronze medals. This remarkable achievement is a proud milestone for our entire school family. Let us give all our participants a big round of applause. To our medal winner and excellent training have shaped our students into confident and capable athletes. Thank you for guidance and inspiring them to give their very best. A heartfelt appreciation also goes to our teacher, Miss P. Nongbet, Miss Wanram, Miss Mauri, Miss Moulam, and Sir Na for sacrificing your valuable time to accompany accompany, guide, encourage, and care for our students throughout the competition. Your support play an important role in this wonderful achievement. A special note to thanks goes to our respected headmistress, Mrs. E. Pira, for believing in our students, encouraging them to participate and providing them with an opportunity with support to showcase their talents. Your constant encouragement has inspired our students to achieve excellence. To those students who have participated but receive participation certificate instead of medal, I would like to say this. Please do not discourage. Even champion was once a beginner. Your willingness to step onto the mat, complete the confident and represent our school is an achievement in itself. A certificate is not a sign of failure, it is a symbol of courage, effort, and determination. Remember, success is not measured only by medals, but also by the lesson we learn, the experience we gain, and the resilience we build. Continue to train with the dedication learned from every competition will become your victory tomorrow. As we celebrate this wonderful achievement, let us also remember the true success comes through discipline, teamwork, respect, humility, and perseverance. May this victory inspire every student of Valley View Secondary School to work hard, dream big, and never give up.